Welcome to my channel. Right now you are in the right place. I've shown you what had happened because I turned this upside down too early, and I want to see if we can salvage this. And we are going to place a silicone mat here just in case it drips, so that if it drips it catches here. Instead of whatever shape it might form, at least it will be caught here and it will not stick to the wax paper. Sometimes in a project something goes wrong, like I did a mistake and did this before the resin was cured enough. I overturned it and this happened. All my work on the table. But it's not lost. Let me show you what we used this for. You see how it looks when you don't wait the right amount of time. Then I'll show you how it looks when you do it the right way. So learn from me. Let's see how it turns out even after this mishap. Here it is, stuck. I have an idea what I might be able to do with it. It's still malleable. I'm able to move it around. Where I don't need to, I'm trying not to cut because I've thought of something I can do with it so that it's not wasted. I know I could just chuck it, but this is a lot of resin, a lot of stones, a lot of glitter, a lot of time, and it has such a beautiful sculptured look. So when I've separated, this is how they look. This piece. See what we'll do with that. And now this one, when we remove this vase, this is how it looks. I'm imagining how it would have looked if I had not removed it at the wrong time. This is the one, the wider one, that I had made a mistake on. You can see how it's wider, and I had to, it doesn't have as many stones because many of them had dripped off. And then with that, we made this sort of like a decor piece. Or that another way you can use this, and I'll show you nicely, is you can put them together like this other one and this. You can try see how they can fit, you know, if they can stay steady. And you see it can be a long looking sculptured piece when they're together like that, even on its own. Or please watch, see how it would be, let's say with lights in. Imagine this as a Christmas centerpiece, you know, with layering of lights. So follow me on TikTok and Instagram so that you can see these possibilities. And now trim off. I've trimmed off all this and gotten this shape. I'm using this Molotow permanent paint, and I'm using a brush instead of the pen because these are hard places to reach on their own. It's very If you make a mistake, you can use an alcohol wipe or a normal wipe like this. Remember, this is not something I had planned for. It's something that I'm changing. It's something as a result of a mistake I made. And so once I colored this side and I turned it, it didn't have the oomph effect I wanted it to have. I've decided that I'm going to add some color, diamond dust glitter UV resin, and I'm going to just add gold. This one is gold. I'm just going to just do a line, sort of a line in the area that I have put gold on the other side. And I'm not sure if I'll spread it or not. Let me first do this. So I'll just try follow the line. Now that we have our gold base, just so that it shines through, I'm going to add some crushed stones, gold ones. And so I'm still using UV. And I'm thinking if we do this, it will look better, more finished, So let me use my fingers.